We are introducing sharing cases in VMLPro, a collaboration platform for professionals facilitating the collation, curation, collaboration, and computation of extremely large brain datasets from anywhere at any time. To share a case, first click on the case, then you will see a list of the case's files and some options. Click on Share, and a window will open. You will see a list of people you've shared the case with, if there are any. You can change how long the case should be shared. By default, it's 7 days. To share the case with someone new, click on the email input, then enter the person's email. You can click on the plus button to add multiple emails. Once you're done, click on Share, and an email will be sent to the person informing them about the case. If the email belongs to a new user, they will also receive in the email a username, password, and download link to download VMLPro. To remove an email from the shared list, click on X next to the email, and they will no longer be allowed to see the case. You can also share the case with a user group. To do that, click on People in the left menu, then Groups. You can add a new group or click on the file icon for an existing one and choose the cases you want to share with the group.